Okay, I can't figure that out. I'm going to have to go to bed. My mom wants to go to bed tonight, so I'm going to have to leave this here if she sleeps down here. Morning, it's Tuesday, July 22nd, 2014. I have the tools to take this filter out on order from eBay. And I got to go pick up a filter actually right now for the vehicle, and I'm gonna get the mail. We're gonna go mark it going. Okay, got a fuel filter. All I need is tools to put this thing in. Not sure which way. Okay, so it's out on that one. Okay, here we are at the market. My mom's gonna sit out here again. I'm gonna run in. Her hip's bothering her again. She needs parts. She won't get parts. You need parts, Mom.
I need you to get in there because it's hot in here.
Okay. I was going to hammer this out, but everybody's like home, so I don't want everybody to be complaining about all the noise. I'll do that another day. I'm going to pre-drill this. I have countersink bits coming in pretty soon, so I want to have this ready. I'm going to drill 3/8 holes in here and bolt it up to here, and it'll secure this a little, plus it'll hold the plate. Okay, I marked the ends where it drops. I really should cut that off. I don't have a bandsaw or anything. It would really be a project to cut that all the way down. It's like 1/4 inch steel. Okay, I have this marked for drilling. I'm going to drill a pilot hole. Then I'm going to drill the 3/8 hole. And when I get my countersinks, I'll countersink them. Okay, that's one pilot hole down. This is some hard drilling. Okay, I got a couple drilled. That one slipped. A couple of these slipped because I'm on a flimsy garbage can for the base. I gotta let the drill cool down. Then I'll finish drilling these. Using cotton oil, so it's keeping it good. Okay, finally all the pilot holes are drilled. They look fairly good, even though they're up and down because I don't have a drill press to keep this stable. I should have prick punched it first, then I would have had better. I don't have a prick punch here. Okay, I'm going to drill them out 3/8 now. Okay, that's all done. I drilled another little hole for the wire for the plate light. I'll use Tech screws for the other piece. Okay, I got this running with a cheap VGA card I temporarily put in there. Didn't even fit right. For some reason the motherboard must be at an angle or something. It's got a laptop hard drive in it. Right now I'm setting up Linux on it. Basic Linux. I'm erasing the Windows that was on there. The second CD drive, CD-DVD drive doesn't even seem to be being recognized. I'm going to have to pull that and see what's what with that. Make sure it's on CS or slave. I'm not sure if it's recognizing the 16 gig memory. It does recognize it in the BIOS. I just reflashed the BIOS.
Nexia, the purple pill.
This is a pretty, Asus has a pretty interesting
Get complete protection.
way you do that. So I guess you put all the peripheral stuff that you want on there and then you flash it.
Now there's nothing holding you back. This is Nexia level protection. The #1 prescribed.
Anyway, I'm not going to touch anything till Linux gets installed.
Get complete protection. Nexia level protection.
Don't know why it's taking its time. That this is a different monitor. The monitor that I had from the garage sale does work. I stuck it on my KVM system. I had these two fans off. They're just drawing air from the other two on the other side right now.
All with a low price guarantee. Buy direct to Jewelry Exchange nationwide.
So all I have to do is get all these peripherals running. I'm going to have to get another video card. The problem with this one, it's still overheating. This is the one I rebuilt that was my son's. It runs for a little and then it just overheats. I'm not sure why. I had the whole thing apart and clean it. Now let's take it apart again. Maybe I missed some thermal grease somewhere, or maybe the stand's just not fanning enough. Very strange.
Enjoy our huge price reductions during our construction sale at Star Bureau CNC Cadillac in Quakertown.
Hopefully I won't have to get another video card and I'll be able to use this one, but we'll see. I'm going to go have a cup of coffee while I'm waiting for this to load Linux onto that drive.